a pinning thing there, my you.
I don't know about you know about
My you need you know, not even gonna start together. We're not gonna start
so that, you know, find my girl dog. Again.
Mate, the last girl me gave dog, you literally can't even remember she name dog, but you come and call me in the between.
Come on enough. Me tell you my virgin you never not show more for do the thing.
My virgin the make again, not even China make them.
So boss you can't find me a girl dog, you know,
But the
look
last
girl
time,
on Facebook
dog.
Really?
Mate, seriously. Mate, supposed to world get taken over by zombies tomorrow. I'm just saying.
I'm just saying you watch too much movies dog. And you need to focus on getting your best friend some girl.
Mate,
so,
I'm supposed to. So me support, you know, my mother said something to me where you can bring the donkey to the palm but you can't force it. Something like for drinking.
You see that? You see that? That's it. You see that car?
Man, you not even push me out of the way or nothing, dog.
You're good, dog.
Or pull me. Anyways, dog. But for real, dog, you need to get that thing to sort out, dog.
Alright, so alright, we're link a girl. Yeah, you have to depend on the tell me for the dog.
Man, it's your fault, dog. I don't know I'm feeling, man.
Oh, them you just want to look, come here, come here. Oh, that was a leap on the road, man. Unsafe.
So when I was safe, man, boost ever the power, you know, don't sit into the dog.
No, one of them not at the time. I saved them, man. Me attack when I've gone.
Where do we go?
If you want some serial killer boy and them rape anything in our world, I go look to these.
We're good, dog. We're protected by the most.
The Mario Party.
Hey, guess what? I see some say I can boy, I can girl, boy, I walk one down, you know.
So she said.
And a ball, you know. Some say way back for the girl, she lost her lunch money. Some say that your mama the girl, the man say they have them thing they get ugly. You know? Then me get $400 to go to school. You know? Thank you, sir. Me can ask a question. So I say, ask me no, you know to me no. But you look a bit, you will cry. Just say what I told you for that. You face it though.
I'm sure that.
You know what you should get a bag of hustlers, you know. Me used to have something that will calm down girl, that's not that.
Yo, between you and me, man. You say you're the man who come to about the thing called hot cellulose.
What?
Hot cellulose.
You know hustlers, man?
What?
Hot cellulose are...
You mean hot cellulose? Oh, no one that?
What can give to the girl?
You know what it's good for?
So what good for?
It make you tell the truth. It make you remember God and get long remembrance.
I know, sir.
You know what it make?
No. I make.
Eat some fruits.
Healthy thing.
Yeah. I drink some water.
Okay.
I just put a plastic bag in water. I go to everything. And you shake it up. And it's hot to the lot.
Yo, Mikey, dog. That's the word on the streets still.
Hustlers.
We're going to deal it in the dog.
Okay, man.
How much you can make a day?
It means how much you can eat a day.
Here man say, yo, we have a big market seat, you know, here man say. We have some contact, you know, and a beer food in the pie, you know. We're gonna make some aceros, mixed up with some curry and some Fruit Loops.
Fruit Loops.
And the maddest thing around that.
So we call it absolute curry Fruit Loop. Absolute curry Fruit Loop.
Dog,
Yes, man.
Here man say.
Yo, I should know
But if I pass me, we mix it up.
Yeah, man. I'm going to name absolute curry Fruit Loop. Yeah, I will make some money up and I like how my little feet are grind before man. I will make the first one.
Where am I?
It's everything.
Am I dead?
No. I got bit by a zombie and yeah, don't worry. You're back.
My friends.
Don't worry about them. Listen to me good. They're the last things you need to worry about.
You can't be outside right now.
Hey. Calm. Hey. Calm, my brother. Indeed. Take a swig at this. Indeed. Lay back. Relax. Good. Calm down. So as I said, you got bit. You're better.
We need to leave.
Hey, you leave when I tell you to leave. Lay back. Keep calm. Indeed. No, you remember who you are.
My Blackberry.
Where is it?
Wait.
No, hold on. How well you remember your Blackberry? Who are you? What's your name?
Mikey.
And?
Priceless.
Oh, yo. Okay, well, Mike Priceless, you're here. Where's your phone? Let's see.
I need to get my friends. We need to link up back. We're trying to get somewhere.
And by the way, I am Ganja. I've been hearing all the screams and all sorts of crap in the neighborhood, like, and I'm in the deep bush, so when I'm hearing screams, I'm like, what the hell? What's going on? Tell me.
Basically, it's just killing and more killing been going on. End of the world, dog. Right now, we need to cut and find somewhere safe. Get out of here, dog.
I have somewhere far safer from me. Like, don't worry about it. Like, where's it? You want to call your friends? You think I'll make it back to them?
Suppose can't find me back now.
Sure?
Too far.
Right, come. Okay, get up. Okay, you sure you're okay? Ah, damn! Yo, you heavy, man. You okay? Okay, well, hold on.
Where are we, dog?
Don't worry about where we are. Worry about where you're going.